Welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Grow your math brain.
Hello friends, welcome back to Mr. Math Academy. So today in this video we'll discuss about the numericals which is based on the matrix operations here. So what we have studied in the previous videos are, that is the introduction which is related to the matrix operations here. So basically some matrix operations are matrix addition, matrix subtraction, okay, scalar multiplication, and the matrix multiplication is there. So in this video we'll discuss some numerical which is based on the which covers all these operations here. Okay, now let us consider one simple numerical. So the matrix A, B and C is given. So these are the some of the matrices what he has given. So the thing is, we have to find out, the first thing is what? So we need to find out the A plus B, okay, and the second one is A minus B, that is a matrix subtraction. So 3A minus C, which is having a scalar multiplication as well, and the matrix subtraction is also, it includes. So the fourth one, it's a matrix multiplication, that is A into B, and again B into A. Okay, so now let us move on to the solution here, how we can solve the numericals here. Okay, basically I'll just consider the very first one is, that is a plus B, that is a matrix addition here. Okay, the adding the numbers are very simple, like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, these are the simple numbers we can add very easily. Okay, here also the matrix addition is very simple. Okay, only thing is what? We should have to consider the matrix order first. If it is matrix order is same, okay, then the thing is what? We have to add the corresponding elements of the same matrix, means the corresponding elements of the matrices here. Now let us consider the first what he has given, means which one we have to find out, that is a matrix addition here. So we need to find out the A plus B. So the matrix A is given and the matrix B is given. Now I'll directly write the matrix order here itself. Okay, it's a 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. When we are writing the matrix order here, we have to write it as a 2 cross 2. That is, the first number always indicates it's a number of rows, and the second number indicates, so this is a number of columns, means 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. Okay, now again the matrix B is also having a 2 cross 2 matrix. So that is, 2 rows are there and again 2 columns are there. Okay, now the matrix addition, matrix subtraction and the matrix multiplication we can do, okay, in an easier manner, okay, when the order is same. Now matrix C is also having a 2 cross 2 matrix, means what? There is no issue, there is no problem in that, means easily we can do any operations here. Now the first thing is matrix addition A plus B. Now I'll consider the matrix C here. So that is 2, it's a 4, I write in proper way. So it's a 2, 4, 3, 2. So this is a matrix A. So I'll just take the matrix B also. So matrix B is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Okay, so this is the matrix A and the matrix B here. So how to add this matrix here? So we know that the basic concept is what? When we are adding the matrix, means matrix in the matrix addition, okay, so we have to add the corresponding elements of the matrices here. Means we have to add this 2 with 1, this 4 with 3, so this 3 with minus 2, and again this 2 with this 2 with 5. So this is how we have to add the matrix addition here. Now, so directly I'll go with this. It's a 2 plus 1. Its second one is 4 plus 2. That is the second row of, okay, first row, second column here, column element. So again 3 plus of minus 2. Again 2 plus 5 here. So this is the addition of the matrix. It means we are adding the corresponding elements. Okay, now the matrix what we are getting here is, so 2 plus 1 is 3, simple thing. So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus of minus means it's a plus into minus is minus, so it becomes 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is what we are getting a matrix here, that is a A plus B. Again we can just see here, it is also a 2 cross 2 matrix. It's a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now this is a simple thing here, that is the first one is over, that is the matrix addition part is over. Now we'll move on to the, that is the A minus B, matrix subtraction, which is related to the matrix subtraction here. I'll go with the second one, A minus B. Okay, now again just write the same matrices here. So A is what? So it's a 2, 4, 3 and 2. So this is the matrix A. Subtract the matrix B, 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. So here also we have to follow the same procedure, means corresponding elements we have to we have to subtract here. So 2 with 1, 4 with 3, 3 with -2 and 2 with 5, means we have to subtract the elements of B from the matrix A. Okay, so I'll go like this. So we need to subtract the elements of B from matrix A. Okay, so 2 minus 1, so again 4 minus 3, again this is the 3 minus of -2, this is minus of -2, so 2 minus 5. Okay, so this is what we are getting the matrix here. Now finally we'll go further, just simplification of this here. So we know that the simple thing here, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3, again it's a 1, this is minus into minus, it's a plus here, so 3 plus 2 is 5, so 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this is what I'm getting a matrix subtraction, that is A minus B. Okay, I hope you are getting this one. Now let us directly move on to the 3A minus C, that is the third part. I can consider this as 3A minus C here. Now you can just see in this part you can have both the scalar multiplication as well as the scalar, that is a matrix subtraction, is also there. Okay, let us consider the 3 is something, it's a number itself, like constant. Now we have to multiply this 3 with A. I'll just write the matrix A, just we are substituting here 2, 4, and again this is 3, this is 2, this is 3A. We have to subtract again the C. Matrix C is what? It's a -2, 5, 3 and 4. -2, so this is 5, so this is 3 and this is 4. Now we have substituted the values here, what depends on the numerical. Now we'll just simplify here. Now during the scalar multiplication, what we are doing, just multiply the constant with all the elements of the matrix here. Okay, just multiply this 3 to the all the elements of the matrix here, that is 3 into 2 is 6, again 3 into 4, 3 into 3, as well as the 3 into 2. So this is, we have multiplied in the matrix for all the elements here, that is a scalar multiplication. After that, so I'll just write the same numbers here, that is a matrix C. Now you just simplify here, 3 to 6, this is 12, this is 9 and this is 6. Now subtract this element again, -2, 5, 3, 4. Okay, after that again, so this becomes a matrix subtraction here, just subtract the corresponding elements here. So this becomes 6 minus of -2, this is minus here and this minus will be the here. So 12 minus 5, so this is 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. So this is, we have substituted the values of the matrix here. Now we just simplify this one. So this is minus into minus, it's a plus here, so 6 plus 2 is 8, so 12 minus 5 is 7, so 9 minus 3 is 6, so 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is the matrix, that is the answer for the 3A minus C. Okay, that is the solution for the third one. Now we'll move on to the fourth one, that is a matrix multiplication which has A into B. So now I'll just substitute the matrices here, that is A into B. So this becomes 2, 4, 3, 2. Again we have to multiply with the matrix B here, it's a 1, 3, -2 and 5. So this is matrix B here. Now how we are doing the matrix multiplication? So already we have done this. Okay, how we can do the matrix multiplication here? So what we are doing here, so first thing is take the first row and the first column here, we have to multiply again, so that will comes in the first element of the that is the solution matrix. Again first row, second column, it comes to the second element, that is the first row, second element of the matrix here. Again we have to take the second row, third first column, again we have to proceed in the same way here. Okay, we just go here one by one here. So I'll just take the first row elements of A with first column of the matrix B here. So I'll just take here 2 into 1 plus, I'll multiply this 4 with -2, I hope you are getting this one. The 2 into 1, that is the first element here, and again this 4 with minus 2 here. Just take a row and multiply the column here. So that will becomes in the first element here, that first element of the matrix here. Okay, now again I'll go with the second here, that is the same row. Take the second column here, take the second column and write it in the second place, that is the second element here. So it becomes 2 into 1, sorry, this is 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. This we have to keep in a second place here, that is a matrix here. Again, so now this part is over, that is the first row, first column, and first row, second column is over now. Again try to follow the same thing here, second row, first column. So write in the second row, first column of the, that is the solution of the matrix. Again the second row, second column, means second row, second column of the matrix we have to write in the same way. Okay, this becomes 3 into 1. So this part we have to multiply. So we need to add here. Okay, at the after multiplying each element we have to add. So this 2 with minus 2, multiply this 2 into 2. Okay, this part is over. Now again take the second row, second column here, write somewhere here, means that it is the second column, second row, second element. So 3 into 3, we have to take the plus 2 into 5. Now this is what the matrix multiplication here. Now after that this is a simplification here. So this 2 into 2 is 2. This is plus into minus is minus here. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 3s are 6 plus 20. So this becomes 3 plus of, again you can just see a plus into minus is minus. So this becomes 4. So this is 9 plus 10. Okay, so this is what we have simplified. Now the later case is all again directly simplification here. So finally the latest will be a into b is equal to, so 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So 6 plus 20 is 26. Again you can just see here 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So 9 plus 10 is 19. So this is what we are getting the solution for the A into B, that is a matrix multiplication, that is the fourth part here. Now let us move on to the matrix multiplication by B and A. Means what, we have to consider the matrix B is initial, later we have to consider the matrix A. Now again we will just consider whether the AB is equal to BA or not. Okay, that is also there. Now let us move on to the B into A, that is a matrix multiplication in one more method. Okay, that is we have to consider the matrix B is first here 1 3 minus 2 5. This is a matrix B here. So we need to multiply with the matrix A here 2 4. So this is 3 2 2 4 3 2. I hope this is a matrix B and matrix A. The same way we have to follow here. Take the first row, multiply the first column, write it in the first place here, that is the first row, first column element here. How we can able to write this? I will consider here. So this is the first row, first column, first row, first column, means somewhere here the matrix has to come, that is the element has to come, that is the first row, first column element. This we have to substitute somewhere here. Again take the same row with second column, that is the first row, second column, means somewhere here you have to write after multiplying the same row with second column element. Now I'll go for the third row, second row with first column, means what, second row, first column, somewhere here we had to keep here. Again the second row, second column, means second row, second column element. So somewhere you have to substitute the values here. Now we'll just simplify here 1 into 2. So this is 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Okay, that is the first part is over. Now again the first row, second column element, that is 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Again for the second row, first column element, minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Again multiply the second row, second column element, minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Okay, now this is a matrix multiplication. Now the simple, and that is a simple calculation here. So this becomes 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 3s are 9. So this is 2 1s are 2 plus 9 is there. So again this becomes 4 plus 6. So this is plus into minus is minus 4. So this is 15 here, 5 into 3. So this becomes plus into minus is minus 8. So this is plus 10. Now again just simplify this part here. 2 plus 9 is 11. So 4 plus 6 10. So this is minus and plus means we have to subtract here. It becomes 11. That is a plus 11. So this minus 8 plus 10 is plus 2. So this is the matrix what we are getting, that is B into A. Now you just compare with this, that is a matrix AB. We'll just consider this part and this one. So AB, when we are multiplying with A and B, so we are getting this solution here. Okay, but when you are taking the in order B into A, the different matrix we are getting. Again from this what we can conclude here, always the AB, the multiplication of A with B is not equal to B into A. So this is how we can go. That is one more conclusion here. I hope you are getting this simple numerical which covers all the matrix operations like matrix addition, matrix subtraction, scalar multiplication and the matrix multiplication. So if you like this video, please comment, share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.